Easy ways to detox your body. The body has a normal mechanism for cleaning out toxins that accumulate in the body. Toxins can be found in our food, water, and also the air we breathe. Because of the elevated levels of contaminants, doctors recommend that you adopt a detox plan once in a while to support the body's natural system. Detoxing makes the liver function better and returns the body to its normal state of equilibrium. It would help you feel better and reduce the chances of being ill as a result of elevated levels of toxins. Here are several safe ways to eliminate toxins from the body. 1. Begin your day with lemon water. Start your day with a glass of lemon water to reduce the number of toxic toxins in your body. Lemon's citric acid aids in detoxification. The type of lemon juice is similar to the digestive juices found in the stomach, which aid in the production of bile by the liver. More bile ensures that food moves quickly across the digestive tract. 2. Detox smoothies are a great way to cleanse the body. Green smoothies made with spinach, kale, beetroot, strawberries, bananas, pears, kiwis, pineapple, avocado, alfalfa sprouts, and ginger are a perfect nutritious ingredient to use in your diet. You may also add various berries, nuts, and seeds to it. 3. Drink a lot of water. Water is important for the health of all of your major organs because it aids in all physiological processes in the body. Water also flushes toxins from the system. Water aids the body's elimination of toxins found in feces. Since you maintain a stable bowel and digestive tract, the body is able to rid itself of unhealthy contaminants each time you use the restroom. Any day, try to drink 8 to 10 glasses of fresh water. However, depending on the weather and the activity level on any given day, you might need to drink more or less. 4. Get some exercise. Sweating is an excellent way for the body to eliminate toxins. Sweating aids in the removal of excess salts and other contaminants from the body. Nothing beats daily exercise to increasing sweating. 5. Green tea is recommended. Switch from daily coffee to green tea to aid in detoxification. Green tea contains antioxidants that aid in the detoxification of the body. This is due to the fact that they increase the production of glutathione, a carrier, an antioxidant that rids the body of harmful toxins. Green tea also contains polyphenols, a form of micronutrients that produces fat-burning hormones that are inhibited by toxins. This nutritious tea also aids the body in breaking down materials that aid in weight loss. Drink 2 to 3 cups of green tea a day. If you get tired of green tea, try other herbal teas with detoxifying effects. 6. Remove toxic substances. If you choose to detox your body naturally, it is critical to reduce or eliminate toxins over which you have control. Simultaneously, reduce the amount of tension in your life. Toxin levels rise when the body is under tension. Reducing stress will make it possible for the body to detox on a daily basis. If you find this video helpful, consider giving it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more amazing secrets and tips, subscribe to the channel. Look at your screen now, you will see 2 videos, recommended for you. Stay healthy.